Hey everyone, want to keep your VTech baby monitor screen on? In this quick guide, we'll show you how to adjust the settings for continuous monitoring. Let's get started. There is no direct option to keep the VTech baby monitor screen on continuously. However, you can extend the screen's on duration by selecting the maximum available timeout settings. Alternatively, you can keep the monitor screen active by setting the VOX, which is sound sensitivity level to high. This way, the screen will remain on longer as it will be triggered by any detected sounds. Understand sound activation feature. If you set the sound sensitivity on your VTech baby monitor to the highest level, the parent unit screen may remain on continuously even with sound activation enabled. This is contingent upon the baby unit detecting sound. If it picks up any noise, the screen will stay active. However, if no sound are detected for set screen of time, the screen will turn off. Adjusting the sensitivity to a higher level can help keep the display on longer when there are sounds in the environment. Step 1. Set screen off timer. Press the menu button to access the settings. Use the left or right navigation button to select the screen settings option. Use the up or down navigation button to choose the screen off timer option. Select the desired time interval for screen timeout, example 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 60 seconds. Press select to save your choose timeout duration. Keep the screen on continuously may drain the battery faster. Ensure the monitor is plugged into a power source for uninterrupted use. Step 2. Set voice activation sensitivity. If you prefer sound activation, check the monitor settings for voice activation sensitivity. Increase the sensitivity to highest, which might help keep the screen on longer by detecting more sounds. To increase sensitivity, press the menu button when the parent unit is idle. Use the left or right arrow buttons to scroll through the menu option until you find the sensitivity settings crying baby icon. Use the left or right arrow button again to choose the highest sensitivity level. Press the select button to confirm your chosen sensitivity level. Step 3. Increase TV volume. As a workaround, some users recommended increasing the ambient sound, such as by turning up the TV volume slightly to continuously trigger the voice activation feature. When the sound sensitivity is set to the highest level, the device will be more responsive to sounds like those from the TV, which may keep the screen on for an extended period. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.